Posting 30 times in a month on social media is not the way to grow your business. Yes, it can help and yes, it can work. But if you're looking to spend a bit of marketing budget towards digital marketing, increase the leads that come in, save yourself time, and give structure to your work, then social media posting is not where you should focus your time and energy. There are many gurus out there telling you that all you need to do is spend 30 posts in a month and you will grow over time, but that's not actually the case. What we see with social media is Facebook, Google, they keep coming out with new products, changing their structure and just changing how your business is displayed online. In this video, we're going to talk about social media marketing and how you can scale your business in 2023 using and leveraging social media and technology. You can go off and do this yourself, or you can hire us. We're going to pull back the wool to give you the power to understand exactly how we do it for our clients and our own business. I haven't introduced myself yet, so my name is John. I am the founder of Glassfall Media. We've been going for a good few years on digital marketing, focusing on paid ads, website design, and generating leads and conversions for our clients. Can you grow your business using social media marketing, posting 30 times a month, getting a strategy together, and just looking to scale out your business and branding? Yes, you can. There are 100 different ways to win a race. So what you want to do is actually make sure that you're going through the correct race. So do you want to be posting on social media where you spend all of your time learning a new skill and sharing your story? Or do you want to generate leads and actually provide value to your customers, get more customers in and grow your business? I want to remove the wool from over your eyes so you can see exactly how we do this for our clients and how you can change how you think about social media marketing. Whether you are targeting high ticket or low ticket clients, B2B or B2C, this solution can change the game for your business. What we can see here is the dashboard for our software that will let you get the power back into your business, helping you sit back, allow your business to grow, and for you to focus on your day-to-day tasks. What happens when you get leads in at the moment? Do you get an email or a phone call in? Someone gets in touch with you and asks about your products and services, and then you have to manually go back and follow up with them. Maybe you're on site at the time and you can't respond for an hour or two, and when you call them back, you've already lost them to a competitor who's given them a quote within a few minutes. What we're going to do is leverage software to allow you to take the power back, to save you time, save you money, and close more deals. And what you get is a 14-day free trial, so you can jump in, use the software yourself, see how easy it is to connect different parts of your business. That will help you generate more leads, spend less time worrying about lead generation for your business. We can see the overview dashboard for our software here. Setting up and managing Facebook ads can be a pain in the butt. So you can also use Facebook ad management directly through the software, saving you loads of time. We'll have a look at that also in this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you the main techniques that we use for our clients to generate new leads and how we leverage the software to improve the conversion rate for generating those leads. Sign up for the free trial and you get access directly into the software where you can see exactly how this is going to benefit your business. This puts the power back into your hands where either you can do it yourself, you get the software which is going to revolutionize your business. You can set up ads to generate new leads, spend less time at doing all of these processes, or you can get our team involved and we will take care of all these things for you. So what we want to do is focus on generating leads for your business, not generating clicks and impressions. This is about growing your business and getting you more clients and more customers who are going to pay you going forward. Our objective is going to be generating new leads for your business. It's not about getting new clicks, new likes and impressions. This is about getting a return on your investment, getting you more clients and helping you grow into the future. What we do for our clients and what you can do for yourself is you can go into Facebook Business Manager and you can create a new ad campaign. And as I mentioned, we are going with the goal of generating leads. So here we are going to go into the lead campaign. Now Facebook has gotten very good at this. You are able to go in and generate leads. There are a few things that we're going to go through now to show you exactly what you can do. So we can click the objective of leads and we will hit continue. And we're going to do a manual leads campaign. We hit create and then it starts creating the campaign, the ad group and the ads for the business. And what we're going to have a look at here is if we have special categories, if we offer employment or housing, then you're going to have to acknowledge the category here, but most businesses won't have to do that. We're going to leave A/B testing off, and we're going to use the advanced budget optimization. So for most of our clients, what we usually recommend is somewhere between 5 and 25 euro per day spent on media spend. This is for small, medium, local businesses. So we'll put 10 euro in per day, and we're going to be looking for high volume here. You can change the bid strategy looking for cost per goal or other. Now, if you plan ahead and you know the lifetime budget that you want to use for the campaign, you will be able to set up a schedule for the ads at the moment. And if you use a daily budget, you will be stuck using a 24/7 ad campaign. While if you use a lifetime budget, you will be able to turn it off. So you can have the ads off at night time. So it won't be using budget to people who are less likely to purchase your products and services. We want to create an instant forms ad. So when people are scrolling on Facebook, they're going to see our ad and they're going to be able to click it, which will then open up a form directly on Facebook, keeping them on Facebook, and it will autofill some information, helping them get in touch with us about our services much faster. So we're going to use the Facebook instant form, and we connect our Facebook page, set up our schedule, and we don't want to put in an end date most of the time unless you've got something very specific. What you want to do is allow Facebook to know that the ads will be run indefinitely, so they will be more likely to give you better deals for the impressions and clicks and conversions that you'll be able to acquire. Then we've got our audience breakdown, where you'll be able to have a look at the local area, the age, the gender, and different methods and ways to target your ideal customer. Facebook and Google are looking to push you towards automating this process where they just target everyone, and they can work, but the problem is they don't always work. And there are many ways that you can start breaking down your campaign to help target the right person at the right time on the right platform. Automatically you will be targeting a country. So what we actually want to do is we want to go in and we want to click the drop down where it's people living in or recently in this location, but we're offering a local service, so we only want people living in this location. Then we're going to select the full city, Dublin City, and we can put a kilometer or a mile radius that will help you target a closer selection of people to your business. Now, if you're looking to make this really refined, so for example, this is targeting Dublin City, where we've got 2-3 million people, where Facebook is able to target 1.2 to 1.5 million people. What we actually want to do here is we want to drop a pin, and we're going to select in Dublin City. And now this will give us the option to reduce that targeting down to a 1 mile radius or more. We're going to pick a 3 mile radius here for the moment. So we have a much tighter niche of people that we're looking to target, if that makes sense for your business. Then we can have a look at age brackets, increase the age. So you might want to look for 25 to 55-year-olds, or you're looking for homeowners, all genders, and you can target different languages. Then we've got our placement. Facebook again will look to get you to place it everywhere. We want to pick manual placement, giving us more control on where the ads are going to be seen. We have 3 different platforms we're able to get our ads to be displayed on. We've got Facebook, the Audience Network, and Instagram. Now, we do usually keep ads directly onto Facebook because Facebook converts better than Instagram. And the Audience Network we're going to turn off because that's going to allow the ads to display on thousands of other websites that are associated with Facebook. But a lot of the time, what we find is Facebook is going to give us the best results. And we're going to keep the feed ads on, turn off Marketplace, turn off video feeds, and turn off many of these other items. Stories do work well, but we'll turn it off for the moment. In-stream ads off, search off, in-article off, and we'll leave apps and sites off, and we'll hit next. Now we're going to create the ad. What you can do is you can add on Instagram, and you can create a single image or video or a carousel. In this case, we are going to use a still image showing off the vans for the local roofers that we are creating the ad for now. The primary text we're going to put in telling people a benefit about the products and services, and we are offering a limited time offer. We're going to keep the text short, allow people to understand exactly what we offer, and have a special promotion in place for the ad as well. Then for the headline, we want to have a call to action, drawing people in to click the button, which will then bring them onto the Facebook form. We can see a preview of the ad here, showing us that we want to fix housing issues all year round, that we've got 5 stars, and we're offering a limited time offer. And if you're ready, fill in the form to get a quote. Now we're going to change the call to action from sign up to get quote, and the destination is going to be a lead form. Here's one that we created earlier. Move myself out of the way. Now what will happen is people will see this ad and they will be able to click get quote. After they click get quote, they will then see a contact form, and this contact form will pre-populate on Facebook, also keeping people on Facebook, because when you drag people away from the platform, you lose a lot of people because people are already on Facebook and we've interrupted them. They weren't searching for this ad. We want to make it as easy as possible to get someone who is interested in our service right now to get in touch. They will then see this contact form where we request their name, their phone number, and email. They will click next. They will then see privacy policy, and they will get a thank you message. When that is sent, you will get a lead directly into your inbox, and the client will also get an email directly onto them. Now that is an extra system, and we're going to have a look at that in a second to show you how we do that for customers. So your lead isn't just a lead, it is someone who is becoming a highly intent customer for your business. You don't want to just spend all of this money on getting these leads in and then you leave them by the wayside, or they sit in your inbox for a few hours. That's going to cost you money, and we want to spend your money correctly. And the last step, people will be able to click onto the website, so they can go directly on and they can get in touch with you if they want to, or learn more about your service. By the time they get in touch with you, they've learned more about your business and will be a more intentful purchaser. That lead information will be going straight into your CRM, so you can see exactly who you are, what stage they are in your pipeline, how many you've been closing, what kind of revenue you're dealing with, and you'll be able to set up and schedule your social media posts from here as well. To make it extra simple for you, when you first log in, you'll be presented with this screen. You will see it's a launchpad, allowing you to connect multiple areas of your business within a few clicks. Whether it's your social media account or your emails or your Stripe account, you will be able to connect much more than just your leads into the software. You will then be able to create and schedule all of your social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok. This is really powerful. It means you don't need to pay for multiple other subscriptions that are going to rack up and cost you far more money in the long run, and it's going to spend a lot more time for you to figure out and learn those platforms. Let's keep everything simple in one place, allowing you to focus on your work. When you get a lead on Facebook, what you want to happen is you want all of this to start going into your automated system and for you to start reaching out to them. If you're busy at work, you won't be able to do this. Or if your team are busy, then you may lose that lead because it's taking you an hour or two to get back to them. And unfortunately, what's happening is customers want responses now. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up an automation or a workflow, which is going to give those leads more information without you having to lift a finger. So we've got this automation section on the left hand side. We also have websites that you can set up, funnels, quizzes, landing pages, multiple things. All of these things are in here. This is your all-in-one marketing and sales platform. It is truly a great tool to help you grow your business. So in automation, we're going to click create workflow, and there are multiple pre-made templates sitting up here for us. And what we're going to pick is we're going to pick the Fast 5, and we'll click create. And then it's going to create this automated workflow for the leads that come into our business. So what we want to happen is we want the Facebook form leads to be the trigger. So anytime someone clicks a Facebook lead form, that they will then go through this automation process. They're going to instantly receive an email and a message to let them know that thank you for getting in touch, and our team will be back in touch with them. We can also change this, put in some wait time. We can add some additional questions so we can find out more about those customers. So if our business, the problem isn't getting leads, if our business is struggling with time and spending less time with each lead to qualify them, then this is the software for you. This is where you can qualify them with more questions, with quizzes, and find out more to make sure that they are the right fit for your business. And if they are, you send them down a funnel, which is going to automate and help you close those customers, linking directly in with your staff calendars. So you can just come in the morning, you have a look at your calendar and you see the bookings, and then you go ahead with your day and you deal with those leads and those customers. This is one of the most important ones when we're talking about lead generation. So if someone creates the Facebook lead and then they get an email to say thank you, they get SMS follow-up. If they don't respond, that you're going to be automatically following up with them, helping you keep your business top of mind and helping you get that customer to the point where they want to book an appointment with your team. So you're not wasting time chasing them, and you're not wasting time following a lead that isn't good for your business. Because at the end of the day, the software and our service have a cost, but the staff that you hire in full-time or large contractors are going to cost far more money than this is ever going to do for you. So what you need to do is be diligent with their time, and this software is going to help you leverage that. So if the contact replies here, they are going to go down one sequence, and if they don't reply, they're going to go down another sequence. We can automatically set up a call connect request to them where they will get a missed call, and they will receive a voicemail from our team, and then you can wait a certain amount of time and then follow up with them again. Now, we usually recommend 6 to 7 touch points with customers, and at that point you can assume that they are a dead lead. You can then at that point change the preference of why you're contacting them to getting some clicks and impressions and followers, but up to this point all we want to do is to get them booked in as a customer, so we're generating revenue. As I mentioned, there are many other features that will help generate more business for your business. You can have all of your staff in here, have all of your calendars linked and synced, which is going to save you time organizing and setting up tasks for different people. You can assign different people different automated tasks through all of this process. This software has the ability to completely change how you do business and how you generate leads. If you already use the software, don't worry about it. What you can do is you can use this just for lead generation. You have automation built out for the lead generation. It keeps everything in a nice, neat pile for your business. While if you don't have software, you can integrate so many different things in here. You can integrate all of the different sales and marketing tools and tactics, have local phone numbers for your business, have your local and personalized emails for each of your different staff members. You can connect as many or as little things as you want for your business, what you see fit. The world is your oyster. So what we use here, pulling the wool from over your eyes and over my own eyes, we use a software called Go High Level. We spent a lot of time learning about this software. It's perfect for marketing agencies, used by hundreds of thousands of business around the world. If you don't want to use our services and you want to go directly in with a 14-day trial for Go High Level, where you can either run your own agency or you can run your own business. So this is giving you the pure insanity of allowing you to go directly to the main tool that we have. Then you can do that. We have links down below, so we would really appreciate it because we spent a lot of time getting this software, getting these videos together, getting our processes ready. But if you do want to use Glassful Media as your marketing partner, then we are here to set up these systems for your business, to set up the automations, to take away a lot of the overhead and the pains that you don't want to figure out. If you would like to be one of our other successful clients who have generated many leads from this software and from our systems, then click the links down below, schedule a call, and I'll catch you on the other side.